For single button, non-timed exit systems, such as this one, for normal exit, you press the button and it opens the door for the time set in the on-site access control system. But for emergency escape, using the instructions on the device, you have to press and hold the button while simultaneously pushing the door open, which can be difficult. For normal exit, the resident or user presses the press to exit button and the door will be opened for the time set in the on-site access control system. For emergency escape, the resident or user presses the press to escape button and the device itself cuts the power to the lock to open the door. When the escape button is pressed, the built-in timing circuit is simultaneously triggered to keep the power to the lock cut for either 1, 6, 12 or 24 minutes, and the door will stay open for that duration. Once that time has passed, the ExiTimer device automatically self-resets to restore power to the lock and re-secure the building with no downtime or call-out required.